Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how to properly upload your design to Redbubble. So, without further ado, let's get started. Log into your Redbubble account, click on the account button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Add New Work button. Choose Upload New Work and upload your design file by clicking on the Upload Image button. Now I'll show you how to optimize your Redbubble listings by filling out the title, tags, and description areas. It's essential to rank your designs higher in search results to make them more visible to potential buyers. First, open Redbubble in a new tab and search for your target keyword. Then select the best-selling option from the drop-down menu located at the top of the search results. This will show you the best-selling designs for your keyword. Open the first 2 to 3 designs in new tabs and study their titles. You can use these titles as inspiration to craft your own. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the search results page to find related tags. Use all of these tags in your own tags section. Then, go to the Open tabs and scroll down to the bottom to see what tags they have used. You can copy some of these tags to use in your own listing. Finally, write a detailed description using as many tags and keywords as possible. This will help your listing rank higher in search results and attract more potential buyers. Now it's time to choose a background color that complements your design. In my case, I'm going with black, but you can choose any color that works best for your design. Next, enable the type of product you want to upload your design onto and choose a color that matches your design and product. I'm selecting black for all of my products, but you should feel free to choose a different color if you prefer. Remember, the color you choose can have a big impact on how your design is perceived, so take your time and choose wisely. Now it's time to select the media types you use to create your art. You can choose up to 2 media types. In my case, I'm selecting design and illustration and painting and mixed media. Next, if you have created collections, you can select the relevant collection for this design. Then indicate if your design contains mature content or not, based on the nature of your design. From the drop-down menu, select the product that best matches your design to feature it in your Redbubble shop. Finally, you can save this design as a draft by selecting only you, or publish it by selecting anybody. Before you do, make sure to tick the little box to confirm that you have the legal right to sell this design. This step is essential to protect yourself and ensure that you are not violating any copyright laws. Click the Save Work button to save and publish the design. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks again for your support, and see you in the next tutorial.